YouTube, what's going on? YouTube, what's going on? Chase right back with another video. And in today's video, we are just going over Ember a little bit more in depth. I discovered something new, so I'm gonna share that with y'all. But first thing first, let me tell y'all what Ember is. So let me go and click this boost button and scroll all the way down to the bottom. So this is what Ember is. You tap to start earning Bitcoin. Your miner will stop after 24 hours, after which you no longer be earning Bitcoin. To continue earning, revisit the app and turn it back on. Boost your daily rate by investing in a portfolio or referring a friend to Ember using your referral link. For each friend you refer, your rate will increase by 2.5 Satoshis an hour while you both are earning simultaneously. So that means you kind of responsible for your friend earning, so y'all can earn more at the same time. So anybody that you do send a link to, which I'm about to talk about after this, make sure you just let them know, hey, let's earn this free Bitcoin. Please note you aren't mining Bitcoin on a device with your device computing power. Instead, Ember Bitcoin Mining Rewards Program is a fun way to earn Satoshis when you open the app every day. Also note, users aren't allowed to refer themselves, one account per person. So that means one per person. Not saying you can't use the same email. Well, you can use the same email, but say if you got different devices, just use different emails. Shout out to my other friends that are also using Ember. I can see when they activate it or when it's not inactive. And then it just goes on after that. And then they also have like these boosts where you get to, once you set up your password recovery, you get plus 10. You get on a Satoshi, you get plus 2.5. And then you get 2.5 per friend referred. I don't know what I was trying to say. Activate twice. So that means I got two. Yeah, so that's 5 coming from there. Then I also got plus 10 with others. So as you can see, if you count all that up, the plus 10 Satoshi is just plus 10 all around. So yeah. So that's why my rate is 22.5. What else should I? Oh, invite a friend to boost your rate. This is where I click the invite. In the video, you're going to see where it say enter access code. This is the code that you're going to use right here. So when you open this up and you click the settings bar, you can enter the access code and you're going to enter that code right here. So it's going to be that MNG31, no spaces at all, 31R9 PM. Take my time. I don't want to mess this up. 2M, then you click enter, then it's going to give you the link and you get 2.5 extra. And then, of course, you get plus 10 Satoshis when you set up a password recovery phrase. So, and keep in mind, when you set up a password recovery phrase, you want to make sure that you, say if you delete the app or you get a new phone or anything like that, everything will be able to transfer. So that's real big when it comes to the crypto. You control your assets, you control your funds. There's no kind of like no recovery thing. You are accountable for everything. But this is what I want to get into. This is something new that I found. Of course, they have ETFs. They have an Ember DeFi index, a Bitcoin defense, and the yield. But I also found out that they have 3 more. The Ember Metaverse Index, Ember Top NFT Index, and the Big 3 weighted. So this is what the Ember DeFi Index is. It's a strategic allocation of a curated list of the most promising cryptocurrencies in the DeFi space. Ooh, excuse me. The portfolio is anchored by the DeFi Plus Index and will leverage the most composability of the DPI coin to layer on additional mechanism for yield and returns. This will be in the long form of adding yield form capabilities, leverage, as well as the additions of compiling DeFi tokens. This will be a passively managed profile with the goal of giving broad market exposure to new revolution assets class. This is passive. This is the type is passive. This is also aggressive strategy. Have a 3% annual fee. So after a year, I give them 3% of whatever I contribute within a year. The top holdings is Uni, Ave, and MKR. The inception date is 12/31. So that's what it pays. That's when it's going to pay out. And the market segment is DeFi exposure. And the portfolio strategist is coming from Ember. And as you can see, you'll be investing 2.5 in Uniswap and so forth and so forth. It goes down the list. And so that's one. I'm not going to read them all, but you also have a Bitcoin defense. So, of course, when it's in the bear market, that's where you can just, you can just stack up on your USD coins and CUSD. I wonder what this is. Oh, it's a compound thing. That's pretty interesting. Okay. The yield, I don't know. Of course, it's just been gradually increasing slowly. Yeah, it just goes up and down slowly. This goes up and down 2% to 20%. So some days it might be 2%, some days it might be 20%. Right now it's 2.8. That might not be too bad to get in slowly. Just start putting $5 in every one of them. And then with the Ember Metaverse Index, and right now you see it's pretty low. Well, it's pretty low. Bitcoin is low, and when Bitcoin gets higher, you see that you earn a little bit more. But since Bitcoin is low, dang, that's when Metaverse was popping. See, at first they wasn't making no returns, but now it's big dog. But now it's about 4%, which is good. So if I wanted to put in $500, it would be a very good time right now. And here are all the Metaverse coins right here. So that means they are heavily in tune. This is a big token to get in, Mana. Don't nobody know this is a good token to purchase. You definitely want to buy this. I know I'm about to go off script. This is why I say this is a great token. So it's $1.84. They got it at $2 over there. They need to update their stuff. But this is almost going back down to where it was a while ago. Once it get close to 1.4, it's gonna bounce off of 1.4 or get close to it. Right now, it's 40 cents off. But when it get close to 1.4, I'm gonna invest in heavily. Or when it get to 1.6. If it gets to 1.6, then it's gonna be on and popping. See, right now it's on the decline on the 7-day time scale. On the 1 month time scale, still going down. Oh, 1 month. Yeah, it's still going down. But I'm gonna let it take its course and let it go all the way down as long as I need it to. Matter of fact, I need to see that on the chart. Let me see if I can pull it up on Trading View. Let me see if I can add. See if I can add some indicators on here. I could just put a simple thing on here. See, right now it's going down. It's at the 30s right now, and when it goes down, it's gonna be on and popping. Let it escape this 30 range, and it goes down. It's going to be on and popping. It's at 36.39 right now. Haven't made its way out all the way. Let me see. Let me change the settings. Nope, it didn't even change it. Visibility. RSI base. I don't need the base. I just need the RSI. I was at 31 point. I looked at the wrong one. I apologize. Yeah, well, when it get below 30, it did touch 30. Kind of bounced off a little bit. But it's going back down. You only want to buy when it really touches the bottom. Oh, I did the same thing back here. It bounced. And then it went to 3.5. Oh, snap. This might be a nice little play. Oh, yeah. I do own that right now. But I don't got it for that cheap. I got it. I can't remember when I got it. September 1st. Let me see. Move ads. September 1st. So I got it underneath the dollar. So, okay, that ain't too bad. Yeah, I need to put some more money in there. I got it when it was very, very cheap. And now it done took off. So now I need to invest back into it. All right, sidetrack. I got sidetracked, my bad. But yeah, I ain't gonna talk y'all ear off talking about Ember because I'm gonna be talking about this for more videos to come. Use my link in the description down below, and I'll see y'all another video. Chase Way out. Peace.